Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to simplify an algebraic expression with single variable. Let us try with some examples. 3 times x plus 9. Here, you need to multiply 3 with the terms inside the bracket. 3 times x gives 3x plus 3 times 9 gives 27. Here we don't have any like terms to simplify it further, hence the simplified expression is 3x plus 27. Let us try with one more example. Negative 6 multiplied by 8x minus 4. You need to multiply negative 6 with all the terms inside the bracket. Negative 6 multiplied by positive 8x makes negative 48x. Here negative times positive makes negative. Similarly, negative times negative makes positive. 6 times 4 is equals to 24. Here as well, we don't find any like terms. Hence, the simplified expression is negative 48x plus 24. Let us simplify negative 2 minus x squared minus 6x squared. In this expression, we need to regroup the like terms. Like terms in algebra are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. For example, if we see in this expression, we can see two variable terms, which is x squared and 6x squared. If we have like terms, we can either add them or subtract them as per the operation given in the expression. As we see here, these two are two negative terms. Here minus x squared is also considered as 1x squared minus 6x squared. Since there are two negative terms, we need to add them with the negative sign. 1x squared plus 6x squared is equal to 7x squared. Here we have only one constant term, so we cannot regroup it any further, hence we can write negative 2 as it is. This can also be written as negative 7x squared minus 2. These two expressions are considered as equivalent expressions. Let us simplify 4x plus 6 times 2 minus 5x. 4x comes as it is. Let us multiply 6 times 2 gives 12. 6 times negative 5x gives negative 30x. Now let us regroup the like terms. Since one positive value and one negative value, we need to subtract them by keeping the negative sign for the answer. 30 minus 4 gives 26x plus 12 comes as it is. Thus, the simplified form for the given expression is negative 26x plus 12. 12x minus 3x of x plus 9. First, we need to open the bracket by keeping 12x as it is. Negative term multiplied with positive term gives the negative sign. 3x times x is equals to 3x to the power of 2. Negative 3x multiplied with positive 9 gives negative 3 times 9 is 27x. Now we need to regroup the like terms. As I mentioned earlier, we need to regroup the like terms considering same variable with the same exponent. Here we can see 12x and 27x are the like terms, and one comes with a positive sign and one with a negative sign. We need to subtract. 27 minus 12 gives 15x with a negative sign, and 3x squared doesn't have any like terms, hence we can write it as it is. This we can also rewritten with the highest power first. Negative 3x squared minus 15x. These two expressions will also be considered as equivalent expressions. Hence, the simplified form of the given expression is negative 3x squared minus 15x. X minus 3 plus 5 minus 3x. Let us regroup the like terms. Here we can see two variable terms and two constant terms. So we can regroup the variable terms together and constant terms together. First, let us regroup the variable terms. X minus 3x minus 3 plus 5. Now let us simplify the variable term. Here x minus 3x is also considered as 1x minus 3x. One positive, one negative, we need to subtract with a negative sign. 3 minus 1 gives 2, x comes common. 3 minus 5, which is same as 5 minus 3, which is equals to positive 2. Hence, the simplified expression is negative 2x plus 2. 23x plus 4 times 9x plus 3 plus 12. First, let us simplify the bracket by keeping the remaining terms as they are. 23x plus 4 times 9x gives 36x plus 4 times 3 gives 12, and the another term comes as it is. Now we need to regroup the like terms. As we can see there are two variable terms and two constant terms. Let us add 23 and 36 since both of them are having the positive sign, which gives 59x plus 12 plus 12 gives 24. Hence, the simplified form for the given expression is 59x plus 24. Let us simplify one more expression. 5x of negative 8x plus 12 plus 14x. Let us multiply 5x with negative 8x gives negative 40x to the power 2. 5x times 12 gives 60x plus 14x comes as it is. Now let us regroup the like terms. Since both of them are positive, we can add them. 60x plus 14x gives 74x plus negative 40x squared comes as it is. Thus, the simplified form for the given expression is negative 40x squared plus 74x. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And to learn how to solve an algebraic expression with multiple variables, please subscribe to my channel.